Morning all, let's enjoy this 2-second lull in the traffic to update you on what I'm getting up to. Well, it's burning season. What that means is they just throw cigarettes out the window and set fire to the mountains. Well, and those up in the mountains, they set fire to the mountains because they don't want to be left out of things. The downshot of that means you can't see the mountains anymore because of the pollution. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. The other problem we get is it rains. Black snow. There's just bits of crap in the atmosphere everywhere. But all that's probably depressing, so let's find something more enjoyable to look at. Let me introduce you to my white bowls. For those of you who haven't seen my shiny white bowls yet, yeah, I just got to do a little bit of careful, he says, trying to be careful. Careful, close, sorry about this, but I got to hold the phone in one hand. Okay, that'll do. Yeah, I had to hold that while I clip the. Say hello to my shiny white bowls. So yeah, that's one lot. And what's slightly even more enjoyable is I've managed to get 2 nice coats on there without effing it up yet. Of course, the theory now is that I've got to get it out of this tent so it can dry without me dropping a load of dirt on it. Otherwise, it'll be hours before I can get on with the next one. So, I ponder on that. I think we should go and see what's going on out the back. And here we are at the rear. Looks to me like Minitron's threatening to do a cow pat. And a cow pat means something to us Westerners, but in Thai, it's a chicken fried rice. Or pork fried rice, but in this case we got chicken. Meanwhile, she's watching these never-ending videos of what the hell is that. But I'll let her watch them things. I'm only interested in what's cooking. And the carbogery show now turns into a cookery show. Not the first time that's happened. Oh dear, Minitron. Is it attacking you? See how more tasty that food is since I've painted the cooker white? Ford Escort white, that is. I'll be cursing when I get down to the last panel and I run out of white because I'd put half of it on the cooker. So, there's no need to be bored while you're sat there on lockdown while the coronavirus wipes everybody out. You can just use these videos as a reference and start cooking your own scran. There might be the downside of having to go to a supermarket to collect it, but as long as you're not going there for shopping for toilet paper, I'm sure you'll be fine. Well, there you go, that's the rice and just about everything else wanged in there. Why do flies land on my elbow when I'm filming? That's really annoying. And which particular bean is that one? That's just bean. And this one's another bean. Look at the sugar. Which one's the soy sauce? Look? They're both soy, are they? Well, that's soy sauce. That must be why I've got man boobs then. Turn them into a soy boiler. Any more secret ingredients for today? Huh? Any more secret ingredients? Where's the chili? No. A what though? A pana? Pana.
Yes, I say
Pana.
pana.
If I say pana, I'd say crispy kale myself. That's what it looks like. Mm. What's that one? Put black colour. So that's probably diesel engine oil. mk1, yeah? Splendid stuff. I'm going to go and position myself, ready to get that around my neck. And hopefully that that door out there should be dry enough to move when we've done that. That'll do then. Cheerio now.